Hey, this is how to make an airplane from made of paper. First, you just fold it like this. Oh man, yeah, man, yeah, oh man, oh god, yeah, yeah. And just fold it like this to make sure it's straight. Just shake it. Yeah. Oh god, just fold it like that. Just watch. Just look at it if it's straight. Yeah, if it's not straight, just make it like that. There's some shade. And just make it like that. Yeah. Oh, you make it like that. Now, you just fold it like that. Just fold it like that. And then fold it like this. Ansa! Sorry, just my brother. Okay, now we're folding it. Just fold it like that. Oh yeah, you see that? Yeah, just and another one like that. Yeah, you see it? Then this. Yeah, yeah. See this little. Just fold it like that. Yeah, fold it like that. Then fold it like I said before. Just fold it like this. Fold it like this. Fold it like this. I don't know. Oh, fuck. Wait, just wait. Fold it like that. Yeah. Like that. This is the tiny that I've said to you before. This, and if you fold them, like that. Fold. Okay, now it's like that now. It's like that. You just have to fold it like that. Then the other one like that, like that. Boom! You get your own airplane. Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, wee. Oh yeah, bro. Oh brum 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 brum. You get your own airplane. Oh yeah. You piece of crap. You get your own airplane. Look at the style of that. And it's most dedicatable of all the time. You fag. Now, hey there, fag.